Hello everyone and welcome back to Minecraft Tutorials, where today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create your own custom Minecraft 1.16 texture packs. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to do this command, and it's called Windows sign and R, and it'll bring up this run, or you can just type in run here and then bring up this. But you want to type in app data, percent sign, app data, percent sign, and just press enter. It's gonna bring up a whole list of this stuff, and you want to click on .minecraft. You want to scroll down to versions. Now, let me remind you, make sure there is no mods in it. So like this 1.16.1, I could not do that because it's Optifine. So also you want to make sure you've played it because then there will be this thing that we need inside of it. So I've played 1.16.1, so we go into here, and as you can see, there's two files here, or two, things here, and we want this executable jar file. So we're just gonna bring it down here and close this out. So now what? So you can actually because I'm not gonna use that version, but you can copy it to here, so then you can keep that version and everything in it. But what you want to do now is you want to select it and right click to bring up a whole list of these things. Now normally it'll just say extract here or extract files, but I have 7-zip, so I can go over to here and I can go extract files. Normally it would just say extract here or extract files or extract, and so you just want to click extract and you just want to click OK, and it's just going to extract the files into this folder here. As you can see, it's extracting all the textures right here. You can see like cyan, all that stuff. It's going to extract all of the files into a file on your desktop. It's going to create a new one. And so once this is done, which it shouldn't take too long because it's almost there, and it's almost there. Boom, done. So we just want to go into here, and as you can see, there is a lot of stuff in here. There is all of these files, and I mean it goes down really far. So what? Excuse me. What we want to do is we only thing we need is this assets folder. So we can just highlight here, and we just want to go down. Now, there is a command you can do. It's like shift something, but what you want to do is this. And the way to make it go down fast is just bring your cursor all the way down. So like, look, my cursor's here. Look, if I do this, it's going to slow down. Just bring it all the way down so you can barely see it. And as you can see, it's going down really fast. So once you've selected all of these class files, because we don't need any of this stuff. No, we don't need anything. So then what you want to do is just delete it. We don't need any of it. So it's going to discover all the items, and then here it goes. It's just going to shoot out and delete them all. And this will be slow depending on your internet. And right now my internet is not too good, so I'm just going to do a quick jump cut. Alright guys, so as you can see, it is done. If we go over to recycle bin, and it's going to load all those files, boom, they're all in here. So, once you have everything in here, this is the fun part. So we're going to go to assets, and then, don't delete these because we still need them. Just go to Minecraft, and then down here, go to textures, and here's all your textures. So, you can, change textures of blocks. You can change textures of color maps. You can change textures of effects. You can change textures of many different entities, like cows and all that stuff. So look, if I go to cow, it shows every single cow, and you can change those. But let's just do something simple, and they have all of these. So let's say I want to change an item. Let's say I want to make an apple have a worm go through it. I know that's kind of random, but just stick with me. Okay, so what we're going to do is double click it, and it's going to bring up this. Now, if we go up to here to edit and create, to edit it with some sort of software. And so I'm gonna edit with Paint 3D. So you just go up here, edit with and create, edit with Paint 3D. It's gonna creating a new project. It's gonna open the file. And so what you just want to do is zoom in here. And here's the apple. Now, let me remind you, each of these is 1 pixel. So right now, I'm at 5 pixels. So what happens is that happens. So let me just undo that. So I'd like to go to pen, and I like to scroll down to 1 pixel. And what we're going to do is just grab a simple green here. We're just going to kind of add a little worm coming out of it. Now, you guys, you can do whatever you want, but this is what I'm going to do. So just have that worm coming on out, and then maybe give it an eye. There we go. There is our worm coming out of the apple. So now what you want to do is you just want to, because I haven't really ever found the save button, but what you want to do is you just want to click X out. It's going to give you this. You just click save, and boom, there it is. As you can see right there, there is our, you know, apple with our worm. And I'm actually going to change another block. I'm going to actually change it like a crucial block that's, what you usually see. So, let's just get grass block. Grass block. With grass path, grass block top. We need, let's just go, grass, I'm going to go grass path side. Alright, it's going to open up the side of the grass path. So, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to change the whole, I'm just going to change this grass, to maybe, something like red, kind of. So, let's just do this real quick. I know the texture isn't going to look good, because there's, all these other colors that blended in. So, yeah. But I'm just going to make it look cool. So, there we go. I might, add, some of these just into here. Now, guys gotta remember, this is the side. So, it's not going to show the top. The top is actually just going to say the grass path. But this is the side. So, we're just going to save this. And as you can see, it changed somewhere. If we go to grass path on the side, boom, right there, it's red. So now that you, let's just say you're done with changing all your textures and everything, what you want to do is you just want to go back to assets inside. Actually, you want to go right here. And so now we need to add the pack.mcmeta file. So I'm going to click right here. I'm going to go new, and I'm gonna go text document. Now, you don't need to do anything, but we just want to open it, and we want to go file, save as, and you just want to save this as pack.mcmeta. That's pack.mcmeta, and so it says save as type. You want to save that as all files. Make sure it's all files, and then just click save and close it out. And so you should have like a pack MC meta a note. So what you want to do with this text document is you can just delete it. You don't need that anymore. But this is what we want. And as you can see, I actually have it here. But you need to put something in here. And what you need to put in, I'll leave it in the description. But this is what you need to put in. And it'll say pack format. Make sure this is 5. 5 is correct. Make sure it's 5. Description, and then what the pack is called. So I'm just gonna do a tutorial pack. So let's go in here, and I'm just gonna call this tutorial pack. Boom. So there's tutorial pack, file, save, close it out. There we go. Now we are, we have our pack. So, how do we get it into that zip file like everyone else has? So, let's clear up some space here. What you want to do is you just want to select both of these and move them out. Oh, actually, we can just do them in here. It's fine. Assets. I'll stick you back in there. I'm just gonna make sure. Okay, cool. So now that we have here, what we want to do is we just want to select both of them, and I have 7-zip. What you want to do, you want to go add to archive or something like that, and you just want to make sure it's a zip file. I know, and if you don't have 7-zip, then don't worry. You just want to, if it says archive, you want to archive the file. If it says compress, you want to compress the file. So yeah, you just want to make a zip file or get a zip file somehow and then put those in the zip file. So I'm going to do this. It's going to put everything, and as you can see, desktop.zip, it'll actually change, you can change the name to this later, and as you can see right now, it looks like a piece of paper, but at the end of it, it'll actually be a zip file. It'll look like a file with a zip, or because I have 7-zip, it'll look like a file with a Z and stuff like that. So once it's done, which shouldn't take too long, I will show you guys. So boom, desktop.zip. Let's rename this to, oh, I don't know, tutorial pack. Enter. Now when you go into the pack, you just want to make sure that the textures, all of this stuff is in here. You really just want to make sure that it has this. If it has all of these, then you're good. But if it just says GPU warning list and block states, you need to go and redo it all over again. And that's not fun. So, now that we have our tutorial pack, it is time to, well, go play Minecraft with it. So, I'm going to take these and put them back in their, folder here. So, yeah. And I actually have a designated folder for texture packs. Oop. Because the folder and files open on another program. Oh, that's why. Let me close this out. There we go. Okay, so have that. So now that we have this, we can launch Minecraft, and I will actually see you guys in Minecraft because, well, as you guys have learned from my past videos, my videos can sometimes get pretty laggy with a lot of things loading. So, quick jump cut. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are in Minecraft here, and so, make sure your, zip folder right here, tutorial pack, is on your desktop, because it'll make it way easier to locate it. So, we're just going to go options, resource packs, and what you want to do is open pack folder, and just want to go on out of here, minimize Minecraft, drag tutorial pack into here, and close this out. Now we go back in, and uh, just happened. Okay, it did something weird, but now we have it. And as we can, if we go to resource pack, you see tutorial pack here. It's gonna be this, weird, uh, you know, block, and you can actually change that. So if we go into the pack file, we open pack folder, and we go to our tutorial pack, you can put an image in the first part right here. Just make sure it's a PNG file. Put an image of what the pack should, look like right there, and yeah, so that's how you do that. So let's turn on our tutorial pack. This will be probably really laggy. Hopefully it's not really laggy. Hopefully, maybe not. Let me check task manager just in case. Okay, I mean, it's holding up. Anyways, okay, sometimes it does this I'm not 100% sure why, and I'm not 100% sure how to fix it. Um, but yeah, sometimes it has this like weird, it just like completely gets rid of that, and I don't know why it does, but it does. Anyways, aside from that, let's go into my hub world from my tutorial on World Painter and how to use it. By the way, guys, description. Anyways, now that we're live, hopefully the recording isn't too laggy. Anyways, now that we're here, I'm just gonna turn our weather to slash weather clear. Anyways, so now that we're here, also this is a dupe machine. It actually duplicates netherite. So I could do a video on that. Tell me guys in the comments if you want that, and I'll show you how to create it. Anyways, look at our textures that we changed. So let's go to path block, and as you can see right there, you can see that red. Boom, there it is. There's our texture. And let's check on the apple. As you can see, there's a little worm coming out of the apple. Ew, ew, ugh. I just ate an apple with a worm. Ew. And so yeah, that is how you create custom texture packs.